Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to find QR codes on eBay, whether it's for our local pickups, shipping or product details. Now let's get started. First things first, it's important to note that eBay doesn't use QR codes on product in the same way that other platforms might. However, there are specific situations where QR code come into the play. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. The first thing you can do is check your eBay messages. Sellers often communicate through eBay's messaging system. To check the eBay messages, simply tap on My eBay in bottom left of the screen, tap on it, and this will open your account. And over here you can see a message icon on top right, tap on it. Now look through your messages for any QR codes or instruction, especially if your item involves a local pickup. Next, review your purchase confirmation mails. After making a purchase, eBay might send you an email with a QR code for a local pickup. Be sure to check your inbox and spam folder for this email. Now let's talk about how QR codes are used on eBay. First is shipping labels. If you are selling on eBay, QR codes on shipping labels make it easier for carriers to scan and track the packages. Second is local pickup. For buyers, eBay sends a QR code via email after the purchase to confirm the pickup process. But what about the QR codes on product listing? Some sellers might include QR code in the product description or images, but this is not common. It depends entirely on the seller. So, to find the QR codes on eBay, check your messages, confirmation mails, or even the product details. These codes make the process smoother, especially for the local pickups and tracking. And that's it. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.